Okay, so this is Edexcel AS Pure 2023 paper. Question 2, we've got use substitution, u is root x to solve this. So this is actually a hidden quadratic, and it's quite nice because they've told us that it is one. They've told us the substitution we need to make. The way you would spot it if it didn't tell you is that this power times 2 gives us the power of the first term. So it's when those powers are halved that you've got a quadratic thing. So first thing I would do is go u is root x, so u squared is x. And then we can sub in, so it's 6u squared plus 7u minus 20 is 0. So we've got 3u take 4, 2u plus 5. So u is 4 over 3, or u is minus 5 over 2. Now at this point, we need to remember that the equation we're trying to solve is for x, not for u. So let's sub it back in. Now at this point, we need to notice something. Root x equals 4 over 3, that could happen. Now root x equals minus 5 over 2, sorry. That's going to be a no-go. Because this is root x as a function rather than as a kind of operation that we're doing to solve an equation, this is an invalid solution. So this one, we reject at that point. Now, a common mistake when solving root x equals something is to square root both sides, and makes complete sense in a test. You're trying to be quick. You see a square root, you do a square root. Understandable. What we need to do is square both sides, so we get 16 over 9. Okay. In terms of where the marks go, so the way I've done it, we're going to get an M1 for attempting a valid method, which is a bit of an annoying mark to give, but it means we've subbed in what they wanted us to sub in and got to factorising. If you didn't sub it in, you would get this mark for attempting to factorise with root x in there instead, which is perfectly doable. The A1 is for having the correct factorisation, or depending on the method you've done, get into a big ugly mess. The next M1 is for getting to root x equals, so for coming all the way down here to where root x equals numbers. And then the last mark is for 16 over 9 only. If you had the 25 over 4, you would lose that mark. And that is question 2.